standards have been a problem for IE over the years, right? Because Microsoft has kind of they've made their own standards, and they've changed them every release. 5 was a different standard from 4, 6 was a different standard from 5, and 7 was a different standard from 6. And it was just a nightmare for developers. How many people are web programmers out there? Okay, you guys are going to be our friend one of these days. Right?
Yeah.
Because we're now standards-based. IE8 browser is now standards-based browser. You know, they've added a whole bunch of stuff on top of the standards, so there's some extra features available to you that don't necessarily conform to standards. But all the stuff that's written to standard will run in the IE8 browser. That's the important piece. That's the important component. But with web slices and stuff like that, some very cool features, that doesn't fit inside the standards model, which is why Microsoft went kind of their own way in the past, because they wanted to add new functionality that wasn't part of the standards. And now what they're doing is what people think they should do, right? Follow the standards everywhere where it's possible to follow the standards, and at least make sure the standard stuff works in your browser, right? So that was the biggest complaint. And that's now fixed with IE8. So to answer your question, IE6, yes, you can run it. I'm not sure if you have to run it in compatibility mode, in XP compatibility mode, or if you can run it inside of 7. I think you have to run it in XP compatibility mode, but I'm not positive. Okay?
Yep.
WC3, I believe. I'm not big on those acronyms. That one rings a bell. So, although, you know, I am a developer in a past life, so I still do some coding kind of on the side, but I